Hey guys, what's up? I am back with the brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Realme 7 Pro versus the Samsung Galaxy A71. And Samsung Galaxy A71 gave you a Snapdragon 730 chipset with 8 GB of RAM, while the Realme 7 Pro gave you a Snapdragon 720G chipset with 8 GB of RAM as well. And you can see on the back we got a quad cameras on the Samsung Galaxy A51 as well as on the Realme 7 Pro, and you can see. And guys, I am really excited to see that how much a difference between these two devices. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. Now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And you can see in the logo it is a little bit more faster on the Samsung Galaxy A71, and the Realme 7 Pro it is also right behind there. And both phones is running on Android 10. We have a One UI 2.5 update on the A71 as compared to a Realme UI 1.0 on the Realme 7 Pro. And you can see in the Realme 7 Pro it is a little bit more faster when it comes to booting up, and you can see. And the A71 now it is also done, about 1 or 2 second difference there between these two devices. And guys, you can see that and both phones give you a very similar display. We have a Full HD Super AMOLED display on the Realme 7 Pro as compared to a Full HD Super AMOLED Plus display on the Samsung Galaxy A71. And also we have a bigger front-facing camera inside this punch hole on both these two devices, and the punch hole it is feels little bit more bigger on the A71 as compared to the Realme 7 Pro. And guys, you can see that everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background. And also we have a same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and the first application we have is the phone dialer. Here we go. And you can see that is a little bit more faster on the Realme 7 Pro as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A71. And next on the list is the settings on both phones, and let's see which one is going to be the fastest one this time. Here we go. And that is again more faster on the Realme 7 Pro. Now let's see YouTube on both phones. Here we go. Same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and you can see that in both phones is perform about the same, no issue whatsoever. Now let's see Amazon shopping on both phones. Here we go. And that is a little bit more faster on the Realme 7 Pro as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A71. Now let's see the scrolling, and feels really smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. And guys, also we don't have any 90Hz refresh rate display on both these two devices. We have a 60Hz. Now let's check out some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga. Here we go. And launching at the same time. And Realme 7 Pro looks faster. Yes, it is a little bit more faster there as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A71. And now let's see the Subway Surfer on both these two devices at the same time. Here we go. And Realme 7 Pro looks more faster there. Let's see. And you can see Realme 7 Pro again a little bit more faster there as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A71. Now let's see the Temple Run 2 on both phones, and you can see and the Realme 7 Pro looks faster there, but both phones is perform about the same at the end. And you can see again the display is more beautiful on the A71, and you can see exactly the same, no difference there. And now let's see the pinout, and that is exactly the same on both phones this time in this application. And now let's check out Instagram, and that is a little bit more faster on the A71 if I'm not wrong. And now let's opening up the Twitter, and that is more faster, I would say about the same at the end, but in the start Realme 7 Pro it is a little bit faster there. And now let's see Snapchat, that is exactly the same on both phones. And now let's see Zedge, and that is faster on the Realme 7 Pro as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A71. And last I'm launching the cameras on both phones. Default camera app, here we go. And that is more faster on the Realme 7 Pro as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A71. Let's see the internet browser speed. I'm using default Samsung internet browser on the A71 as compared to a Google Chrome on the Realme 7 Pro. We have wikipedia.org first website, that is faster on the A71 as you can see. Let's see the scrolling, and feels really smooth on both phones, and same thing zooming in and out, no lag whatsoever. And next on the list is the apple.com on both phones, and you can see that, and the Realme 7 Pro, it looks more faster there, and you can see, and the A71, it is also right behind there. Let's see the scrolling, and feels really smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. And guys, now let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, and both phones give you 8 GB of RAM, and also we have a Samsung One UI on the A71 as compared to a Realme UI 1.0 on the Realme 7 Pro. Now let's start off with the phone dialer. That is not refresh. Let's see settings, no refresh. YouTube, Amazon shopping. Let's see the Candy Crush Saga, Subway Surfer, that is refresh on the Realme 7 Pro. Let's see Temper and 2. Let's see the pinout, Instagram, and now let's check out the Twitter. That is also not refreshed. Let's see Snapchat, Zedge, and last we're back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see. And guys, overall I have to say, and the app's opening speed is little bit more faster on the Samsung Galaxy A71 in system-based application as well as in the social media application. In game app loading time and the Realme 7 Pro, it is little bit more faster there. And the RAM measurement is absolutely incredible on the Samsung Galaxy A71 as compared to the Realme 7 Pro, and one application refresh on the Samsung Galaxy A71. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Realme 7 Pro versus the Samsung Galaxy A71. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.